going to be reviewing an electric pressure washer. We're going to be pulling out a gas pressure washer, sliding in a Win electric pressure washer, 2000, 1.6. And we're actually going to be using, instead of a cheap material, we're going to hook it up to where we're going to run it on the better hose, the better handle, you know, and actually see what this thing will actually do. So what I actually did first was I actually hooked up a thread on quick connect. So we'll be going straight thread on water to straight thread on quick connect, and it'll run straight to my old setup, you know, or you could just put your old quick connect on to however you're going to run, because we're going to be running everything through a better setup. As you can see, I got my pump over there, it's running over here, and let's turn this bad boy on. Hopefully she don't blow up in our face. Alright, we'll see. There you go. Alright, well, she's running. Let's see what she's gonna do. Some metal polish right here that's from the other day. Let's see what it does. You know, just wash that off. Well, it seems to kind of basically do exactly what it's saying it's doing. I say probably closer to, it feels like, I stuck my hand on it, feeling like about 1600 psi, and I mean the water volume is super good. I mean, I'm not the best at judging psi, but what I come from, it was a lot more. You could definitely feel it. But I mean, everything, auto stop, everything's working on this. I paid $75 for this pressure washer, guys. Might have been $60, that was with tax. Might have been $65. So, I mean, you can buy Kranzle or AR Blue or I mean, it's definitely different than gas, y'all, so definitely different than gas. Totally different power, but you know, the object is really not to beat the paint up. Really is to wash it and then rinse it off. So together on my review, it seems like that it's a really awesome machine for the price. You know, anybody who's starting out, you know, they don't have $600 or $1,000 to spend on a Kranzle or a AR Blue. I mean, this thing, I don't know how long it'll last, but super nice, does a super amazing job. So, you know, my review's thumbs up. We'll see how long it lasts.